Hi there, Chris here. Welcome to Lotto Lock Tuesday. I have this Avis 7240. Works nicely. Beautiful orange color. Had this for a long time. Used to put the little marks on them to see if I had any movement. I don't know when I quit doing that, but a long time ago. There's the bidding. There's me dropping it. Here's Suki Paws. Paw. So, there we go. Okay. So let's see if I can pick into this for Lotto Lock Tuesday. I'm gonna use a top of the keyway tensioner. This is sort of a short one. I have longer ones, bigger ones. Actually, there's 3 of them I use. This is the small one. The medium one I use the most, and the large one I use for larger openings. Can't remember how I do this. I do know that you got to get them going first, and usually it's somewhere in the front. Wow, Jerky. Haven't seen her for a while. So when I'm picking, and on camera, I'm on my phone and it's on the airplane mode, so I don't get calls, because if I get a call, it just shuts down the video. But I do still get messages, pardon me, across the top. And so it'll just pop down from the top about a third of the screen. I'm gonna use the baby pick. Uh-oh, overset. I think it fell back down. Okay, we have an open. That was early set, somewhere like 1 or 2, or both. And then like 3, and I think it gave it up on 4. I'm not sure I had to pick 5, but there you go. See if we can get this open. I've never been in here. I could tell. All right. Ooh. Yeah, this has never been opened. Hurt my hand. Another message. I think that was from Paul Springett. I didn't catch it fast enough. Get out of there, you little dick. Okay, that's the inside. Oh, I didn't do my extra light. So that's that. This is the little core. I'm gonna lock it up. I'm gonna tickle Suki. All right, do I have my stuff? Hope this lighting's good for you. It's kind of glary for me. So let's move this around. That popped right off. Okay, find the key, find the little follower, find a shim. This is the wrong one, but it might work. All right, breaking the action. We just have to look at Suki for just a moment. She's over there next to her S&G Megalock, chilling out. And she seems to have dragged the Southampton lockpicking key fob over there. It's Southampton Lockpicking Club key fob. All right, we're in there. We're turned. Yes. She drags things around, stuff she likes. Okay, so there's all our pins. I didn't think I had to do much in the back. Of course, I was wrong, but there you go. Everybody had to be picked. Move this in a little bit. One, two, three, four. Tweezers. You'd think they'd be here, right? Here they are. That's too close, maybe. One, two, three, four, five, six. It's just sort of a flat, come on. A little flat on the top, which kind of helps sometimes. I'll orient these. Not sure I have them in the total right order, but you get the idea. And when I put it back together, I'll screw it up. No, I'll fix it. Okay, let's see if we can. So if I turn this off, is it better? I don't know. Still screwing with the lights. Bisook. These have pretty strong little springs. Okay, one is a standard. Two is a spool. And I'm thinking there's a bunch of spools in here. Three is a spool. All right, grab one more here. Four is a spool. Cross springs. Don't want to do that. I start, getting mixed and curled into each other. Why does this not focus? Six is a spool. Seven is a lively spool, five is a lively spool. Yeah, you can see how those springs are lively. They shoot right out of there. Okay, let's see, we'll zoom in, find a key. Probably the right key, hopefully. So that is Lotto Lock Tuesday. This is Pocket Woman's brainchild, and it's a wonderful place to show our Lotto locks, and they're great challenging locks. and good to practice on, to get, get your mojo working well. There's the core and its little holder. I recommend buying the Huck kit. It comes with the 2 size holders, the followers. What else does it come with? Some other cool stuff. Stuff that y'all want. It's eluding me. It doesn't come with a front loader, but it comes with, it comes with these, which is really great. This only does the one size, but it's pretty good for plucking even if it doesn't fit. And then you can get the Locknoob one, which is the gut wrench. Gut wrench? Yes, gut wrench. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the like, make a comment. Like Paul Springett, hey dude. Say hi to Suki, and thank you, Pocket Woman, for creating Lotto Lock Tuesday. See you next time.